holidays, I explored deeper into the Philippines. Its beauty, rich culture, and endless beaches. I learned from local masters, the true guardians of Filipino cuisine, whose food tastes like home, cooked with love. Simple, honest, and deeply beautiful. It warmed me deeply in my heart. This journey is also about witnessing Filipinos who work hard, study hard, and dream of becoming great chefs. It begins with mastering one's mother tongue, traditional food as identity. Though it is never guaranteed that it will become their final specialty. Still, it shapes who they are. Working as a private chef on a yacht was an unforgettable experience. It brought me closer to one love. I explored breathtaking beaches and endless horizons, while my heart quietly leaned toward another. Choosing felt impossible. Both were good. Both were real. Love is love. Under pressure and still young, I didn't yet know how to manage my heart. Until I realized something important. I am still young and my dream must come first. I chose myself. I chose no one. For now, we will meet again somewhere in the world. If one of them is truly meant for me, focusing on myself became the answer.